Hi all, welcome back to Mom and Me Bombs. Today we are coming back with another episode of hairstyles. For more hairstyles, check the description box below.
You've seen the moon and its darker side. I can feel the gravity, the forces pull between you and me. Yes, it's true, I'm falling hard for you, but I won't rush this love. I can wait even if it's hard to take. One moment is enough. I will be standing here right by your side. I will be standing here till the end of time. I will be standing here all through the night, till the stars align. Changing in the sky, it gets a little lighter over time. Yes, it's true, I'm falling hard for you, but I won't rush this love. I can wait even if it's hard to take. One moment is enough. I will be standing here right by your side. I will be standing here till the end of time. I will be standing here all through the night, till the stars align. Standing here right by your side. I will be standing here till the end of time. I will be standing here all through the night. I will be standing here till the stars align.
This is the famous cornrow hairstyle. It's lovely, right? See, it's attractive, right? This can be done for special occasions. There are still more attractions coming on the way. Stay tuned. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe and click on the notification bell to get our upcoming videos.